Now we're gonna talk about diversification, another interesting topic. People overlook this, but this is actually important. It is the act of investing in multiple different stocks. So here you are trying to reduce the risk of a huge one-time loss in the market by diversifying pretty much, not a lot, but the right amount. So you don't want to end up broke again. So it is a good idea to invest in different areas. For example, a stock may go up, the other one may go down. You can balance them more, and in the long term it helps. Also helpful in case you want to preserve savings, or in case of a correction, bear market, or recession. These three are similar but at the same time different because of the amount. Correction is when stocks go down 10%, bear market when stocks go down 20%, recession when the GDP is negative twice. By investing in different stocks, you want to prevent a catastrophe. So the best way to me is to invest in 4-6 stocks if you're a beginner. I invest right now in not many stocks, maybe 7-8. Remember to average down, so you don't want to put all of your money right away in some stocks. You need also some cash to back up your stocks and buy more, as we said before. So I want to take this moment to remind you that you can, of course, rewatch the old videos if you don't remember them, and take down notes again, because watching some things again helps your memory big time. So there's nothing wrong in that. So we were talking about diversification. If you have too few stocks, I think it is risky, especially emotionally, because if a stock goes down a lot, you will panic. Too many stocks, it's risky because you can't follow all of them. Usually diversification brings you higher fees, so don't diversify a lot in this case. Mutual funds are popular because you can just invest in one and it's all diversified, and you don't have to think at all, and you don't pay fees. Again, my advice is to balance. I like to balance value stocks on the one hand and the growth stocks on the other hand. So my final considerations are: obviously diversification helps you to minimize the risk. The upside may be less, but until you gain some experience, you can also use demo account, paper money to try to find what's best for you. I have a couple of value stocks that can help me in case of a recession. You can do that, of course, but try to gain some experience and relax. You will find the best way for you and enjoy the game.